It's no secret the real estate crash is still having a negative impact on homeowners. Many are still struggling to keep a roof over their head. When banks and mortgage companies start putting on pressure, it can be overwhelming. Chae duPont from the law firm of Morris duPont is here to help and to answer your questions. Great to have you back, Chae.
Thank you, Cindy. Glad to be here.
Have you got a lot of people asking you about such things? Because ever since that crash, it's just been, whoa, what do we do?
Yeah, and they should be asking questions. I'm always happy to answer questions. It's one of the reasons we do the free consultation. I want everyone to be informed as to what their options are, because I see so many people that are misinformed. They talk to a neighbor, a coworker, a friend, and they get these different answers, and they have so many misconceptions of what the opportunities are for them and what their rights are in their property. So I'm happy to answer questions anytime.
Okay, well, we do have a question from Alina in St. Petersburg, and she says, I have been in default since 2012. I have submitted a loan modification and was denied. Now I have received a notice of mediation. Should I attend? And what is mediation exactly? Chae?
Okay, that's a very good question. And we should say that I don't know what the questions are going to be before you give them to me. So these are always sort of a surprise. But I will tell you very coincidentally, I'm going to be at a mediation this afternoon. I have a mediation at 3 o'clock for a client.
Okay.
Now, she's been in foreclosure since 2012, and she tried for loan modification and she was denied. Now the lender has informed her that she's got mediation. Well, mediation is ordered through the court. So the judge has ordered the parties to go to mediation. Now, normal mediation is where a mediator, the parties and their legal counsel are all in one room or several rooms, and they try to settle the case. That's normal mediation.
Right.
In foreclosure mediation, it's very different. In foreclosure mediation, what you have to have already on file with your lender is a loan modification or a short sale or some sort of loss mitigation application, so that the lender during the mediation can review the application and ask you any questions about it. So
if you haven't done that and you've got a foreclosure mediation coming up?
Nothing is going to be accomplished.
Okay.
Absolutely nothing can be accomplished unless you have it. So even though she was denied for a loan modification previously, and I don't know the reason why she was denied, she should still submit another loan modification application if she wants to stay in the home to see whether or not she can qualify, because at the mediation she can learn why that application is either not complete or why it is denied, possibly what she could do to improve her chances and submit another application. I always find mediation to be really helpful because I get a lot of information from the lender in the mediation. And by the way, I should also note this, the lender isn't there. The lender is actually on the telephone. So you've got a speaker there, and you're speaking to a lender representative in the mediation department that is reviewing your application. So they're looking at the PDFs of the documents you've submitted. It's very interesting.
Well, you definitely want to bring Chae with you.
You really do.
When you go to mediation.
The chances are so much better. You want to retain me previously so I can submit the correct application and we can prepare. Like today, I'm going to have a great mediation because all the documents are in.
Good for you. You can learn more by visiting Chae's website, homemortgagelaw.com. And of course, contact the law firm of Morris duPont and schedule that free consultation right now.